This new tax system, Grenada Tax, caters for taxpayers currently registered for value-added tax, pay-as-you-earn, and corporate income tax. Funded by the World Bank under the Digital Governance for Resilience (the G4R) project, this process marks the start of a new era in the administration and management of Grenada's taxation system and is a critical pillar in the government's commitment to overall national transformation and, in particular, the digitization of the tax administration system and other government services to facilitate ease of doing business. This migration to digital processes will also facilitate the IRD's broader strategic shift from the traditional tax collection agency to a more robust and customer-focused division that will act as a supportive partner and educator to taxpayers. Deputy Controller at the Inland Revenue Department, Randy Cadet, provided details on the new tax system.
Where we introduce a subset of our taxpayer base to our new system, GTAX. We will refer to it as Grenada Tax, for short GTAX. So far we held 2 sessions where approximately 200 persons were in attendance, and we are scheduled to have another 2 sessions in the afternoon. I said subset because in this current phase we are implementing only the VAT, the PAYE, that is pay as you earn, and CIT installments to persons who are registered for those 3 specific tax types.
The implementation will be done in 2 phases, which Cadet explained.
The first phase, which is what we are onboarding right now, is only for taxpayers who are registered for the value-added tax, VAT, the PAYE, and CIT installments. The other tax types, like the annual stamp tax and the personal income tax, those other tax types will be rolled out towards the latter part of 2024. So as I'll repeat that the other tax types such as PIT, AST, gaming, they will continue on our legacy system. We are not onboarding these tax types to GTAX. So taxpayers can visit my.gov.gd, that's my.gov.gd, where they can conduct their usual filings and payments. Come next year, then all services should be in the GTAX.
During the transition of the new system, taxpayers will enjoy a grace period to complete their full online registration with a valid email address. As part of the new digital system, a new taxpayer identification number, TIN, will be generated for taxpayers currently registered for VAT, PAYE, and CIT installments.
Right, so because it's a new system, every taxpayer will be required to find or to have a new tax number. So in the session this morning, we introduced our taxpayers to we introduced our taxpayers to an email, and that email address is gtax@ird.gov.gd, where they are expected to submit to us a form, a validation form, and that form can be found on our website, which is ird.gd. So when the taxpayer goes on our website, they will see a form to validate their tax information so that we can use that information to validate that this is the taxpayer that I'm supposed to be before we issue them a new tax number. So all taxpayers will be required to have a new tax number to interact with GTAX.
Christina John, GBN News.